Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to transplant cannas. Now, cannas are a beautiful tropical plant from Mexico that does really well almost anywhere in the world. They love nice hot summers, and they'll grow in pretty cold climates. Even in the Northwest, we're not losing them. And the best time to transplant them is when they're dormant. So if you live in a colder climate, in the middle of winter is the best time. But even if you live in a warmer climate where they have foliage year-round, the easiest thing to do is to transplant them when they're not blooming, or even when they are blooming, if you have no other choice. And the trick is cut all the foliage off first, because you don't want to deal with the foliage at all. So cut them down to the ground, and then just take a shovel and dig it up. So if it's a larger start, you have to work your way around. These are newer plants. Here, I've been just amazed. And you know that they're alive because they have little eyes, and the eyes go up. And you want to turn around and plant them about 3 inches deep. And the trick is to plant them right away. They don't like to be out of the ground. So when you transplant cannas, either put them in a container right away, or put them right into some sawdust or more soil, or right into another garden spot where you want to enjoy them that summer. So you can transplant cannas pretty much any time of the year. The best time is to transplant them is anytime they're not blooming, but they're a beautiful addition to your tropical garden.